it is a class session. Please tell what are the doubts you have regarding this interview, not about group discussion. About interview, you can ask doubts. And if you have studied something, you want to test whether you have studied properly, you can tell that point. I will evaluate the same. We will start with our Vishnu. Vishnu, you are appearing for which interview?
Hello.
Vishnu, you are appearing for which interview?
Federal Bank, sir.
Acha, acha. Which date is your interview?
Sir, the date has not been given. It's on the first week of Feb.
Okay. What is it you have studied yesterday, day before yesterday, over which I can ask some question to you?
Sir, basic banking terms or the process of how RBI works, how the monetary policies involved.
Correct. Good. Yes. Mr. Vishnu, you are from which state?
I'm from Hyderabad, sir.
Excellent. Hyderabad. Can
Yes,
you
sir.
tell me?
Telangana.
Can you tell me some excellent points you want to tell about Hyderabad?
Yes, sir. So firstly, Hyderabad is also referred to as the Nizam city. We have a lot of mixed cuisines. Most of the Arab dishes that people actually crave for can actually be tasted in Hyderabad. And we have the world in largest filmmaking set, which is called the Ramoji Film City. We have a lot of entertainment parks and night culture for youngsters to roam around and explore. We have one of the monumental places, which is Golconda Fort, a lot of which attracts a lot of tourists. And one of the major things about Hyderabad is the growing per capita income, sir, because a lot of incubations and startups have been coming up, and there is also the young demographic, which is helping the economy also being built for Hyderabad.
Okay, what you said is not wrong, but you never mentioned about Google having headquarters, then other multinational companies having headquarters in Hyderabad, then rural development centers in Hyderabad,
Uh,
IRDAI having headquarters in
yes, sir. Yes.
Hyderabad. Like that, you must talk more with relation to business. Right?
Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
So that is the only mistake I found. Otherwise, you answered well. Abhijit,
Thank you.
Abhijit, you have come for mock interview or for observing? Abhijit, acha, acha. He is connecting to audio now only. We will go to Vaishnavi. Vaishnavi Garu, you are from which state? Vaishnavi, you are from which state? Who can hear me and speak? Nobody is talking. Why?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I'm
Vaishnavi,
from
why?
Karnataka.
What happened? Why were you not able to talk to me early?
I was little fumbled to unmute, sir.
Why? You should not. First and foremost thing, if what PO, you are going for PO, na? Karnataka Bank.
Yes, sir.
You should be more dynamic, more vigilant, more active, more communicative. If you are not having it, how will they give this job to you? Vaishnavi, what is
Yes,
the
sir.
degree you have studied?
So I have completed my MSc in agriculture, sir.
Super. You are an agriculturist and you should have more confidence. Can you
Yes.
tell me the importance of agriculture to our nation's economy?
Yes, sir. Like we can say, agriculture is the primary sector which can be have a great pact in a GDP, where 80% of its share is coming from agriculture sector, and
What,
it's very
80% of what?
18%.
18. Yeah,
Is
18. Very good. Then,
it um, yeah, it what 18% of the GDP is contributed from agriculture sector, and we can also say that it's a backbone of India, and it provides the food for all the people all the people. So
Hmm.
that's the thing I can recall
Whi-
right
whi-
now.
Which college did you study? Why are you hesitating so much? When did you complete your MSc?
So I completed in recent sir, 24, 22 to 24. My batch was.
Just now. That is why you are hesitating. Good.
Yes, sir.
No problem. Do you know what is meant by lead bank scheme?
Uh, so actually, I've been studying about uh, background of all banking awareness. So I've been lagging behind in this.
What have you studied in banking awareness?
So right now, I've been learning about RBI and its subsidiaries and monetary policy, capital and money market.
Can you tell me the names of five subsidiaries of RBI?
Yes, sir. One is DICGC, Deposit Insurance and Credit Guarantee Corporation of India, and one is Bharatiya Reserve Bank Note Mudran Private Limited, and you can say RBIH, which is the recent one. It has inaugurated from Shaktikant Das in 2022. Reserve Bank Innovation Hub. I can recall Rebit, uh, which has came in 2016, uh, which is
Not
Reserve
bad.
Bank Information
I think you
Technology
have told.
Limited.
I think you have told four. Very good.
Yes,
Not bad. Not bad. Good. After studying agriculture, why are you coming here as PO?
yes, sir. Like I have also explained it before, there will be a priority sector lending, where I will be a great service for agriculture, farming sector, I can say. And one more thing is obviously in a banking sector, we have a huge opportunity to grow. And as as a graduate, I can say I would be uh, willing to see my growth in good handsome salary, to be honest in that.
Mhm,
And we can expect there is a huge scope in banking industry, I can say.
mhm. Tell us about your family.
Yes, sir. Um, my father, he works as a primary school teacher in a in a government school, and my mother is a homemaker. And I have a one sibling, and he studies BCA, and and that's me. We have four in our family, and have a one grandmother.
One grandmother.
Yes.
Good. No problem. Good.
That's-
Are you? What are your hobbies?
So I like to listen to the music. I've I may not be very good in musical senses, but musical knowledge, but I like to listen to the music. And recently, I have been very been fond of reading novels. So that's a hobby I have cultivated very recently.
Mhm,
Um, and in I like almost recently have completed my studies. So these have been the prominent things I've been doing.
What is agricultural insurance?
Agricultural crop insurance.
Hmm.
Uh, um, we can define it as insurance a farmer can avail on a avail on a standing crop. Uh, if the in any disruption in the one cropping period happens, can avail that at the end of the cropping period.
Can you expand KCC?
It's a KCC is a Kisan credit card. Um, uh, I've been have forgot most of the details.
So please prepare about them. Thank
Yes,
you. Thank you
yes.
so much. Best wishes.